So after washing your face, what I like to do to close your pores is use ice. So you're gonna take an ice cube and literally just massage your face with it. But trust me guys, this literally closes your pores. Like your skin, when you put your makeup on, your skin will look flawless. Including a primer on top of that, perfection. I only do this for like a minute. Once that is dry, you're gonna take your favorite primer and just dot that all over your face. If you have no patience like me, I'm gonna go ahead and take my foundation. I use Fenty in shade 290. Literally taking a dab of that. Dabbing all that in. I don't really trust only a brush because you can definitely see the creasing in your foundation if you don't do this step. Although some people's skin are different, so do whatever you think is best. I personally think following by a beauty blender is how you'll get the most flawless finish. And literally takes you 60 seconds. I think I'm getting sick. Okay. My lips are hella chapped, so I'm just gonna put chapstick. I'm gonna take my favorite concealer. It's the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade light medium beige. I'm usually light medium, but they only had this one left. So it's more, the only difference is this one's more pinky undertoned, whereas the light medium is more yellow based. There's not that big of a difference, but obviously I'd buy the other one next time I go in if they're not sold out. So I'm gonna go ahead and just dot that under my eye because I like my eyes to be bright. Take your beauty blender. Actually my trick is I leave it on for a little bit before I blend it out because it just melts. I just like to melt it into my skin, because I feel like it just looks better. So
2 hours later.
I'm just gonna wait. Okay. I'm doing tapping motions because if you're smearing it, you're just gonna get streaks in your face. You don't want that. Obviously, if you want a smooth finish, just tap away. It honestly does not take that long if you just let the product melt in your skin in the beginning and then just blend it out. And I have no patience, so if I can do this, anyone can do it. Same thing on this eye, just blend away. Wherever the product you're blending is, you want to just tap in that area. You don't want to just like keep picking up from here and dragging it out, because then you're just not going to cover the area that you want it to cover. That's what I used to do. Same with your forehead, don't drag it out too much. Just focus mainly in the center or wherever you want to highlight, and then once that is blended in, then you can go ahead and blend out. And I'm gonna go ahead and just blend everything out. I'm gonna take my lip liner. If this is even, I don't even bring my sharpener with me.
This is the next lip liner. I don't know what shade it is. It's like a mauve pink. I'm just gonna line my lips with this. I'm not being perfect because I'm just gonna blend this with my lips anyways.
I'm gonna take my NYX liquid suede in the color Soft Spoken and just put a very little amount of that on my lips. I always take a paper and blot it to remove all the excess, because this is literally gonna ensure that it stays on your lips, because it's not bleeding out of your lips, nor is it going in your teeth. And I've never had that issue, so clearly this trick works. I'm just gonna take this MAC blush in Peaches. Just smear that all over your face. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna take my mascara in it's by Benefit. They're real. Whatever's left I like to put on the bottom lash, because you don't really need a lot of product on the bottom lash. But yeah, difference between one eye and the other eye. I hate taking mascara off, so that's why I always use false lashes. But I didn't bring my scissors with me, so I can't really cut my lashes, so I'm gonna look like a freak, so I have to use mascara. I hate doing my left eye. I get so lazy at this point. If any of y'all want a eyelash tutorial, let me know. I have many mascaras that are equivalent to this one that are much cheaper. Yeah, let me know if anyone has any suggestions on videos, because I have no idea what to film. So yeah, or leave questions down below and maybe I can do a question video. Whatever you like. If anyone even watches my videos. I probably sound so stupid right now. Okay, not the best, but it's what I got. Anyways, this is just an everyday makeup look. Yeah. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna throw some highlighter on just cause. Let's see. What the hell is it? Okay. So this setting spray smells phenomenal. Like, phenomenal. Like, it's hella strong, so if you don't like strong scents, don't come at me if you don't like this. But it smells so good. So I'm just gonna spray my brush. Pick up, I'm using the Nicole Guerrero palette from Anastasia, the highlight palette. I'm just gonna take this color and this color. And this stuff is highly pigmented, so do not take a lot. Otherwise, you're gonna look like a freak. I'm just gonna put that right here. And right here. And right here. I don't like to put a lot on my nose because I don't like to look like Rudolph. And when I put it on my cheek, I like to blend it down onto my bone wherever I put my blush, because it just looks better. So you're not having just a line up here on your cheek. It just makes your cheeks look glowy. Okay. Now I'm just gonna take this setting spray and spray my face. Ow! Don't do that. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you liked it, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, definitely leave me some video suggestions down below. And